Well, hello everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today is week two of the holiday Christmas mix with Bree. Bree of Bree's Project book is hosting a 4-week collaboration, and she has asked Juani of Juani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and myself to co-host. And we have our beautiful and fabulous dream team hosting as well. Now the dream team consists of Homebody with Forlisa, Angelic Interior Designs by Shenell, the Glamorous Penny Pincher, TMB Designs, Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, Style by Kara, Decorating with Barbara, and Val's Glamorous Castle and Decor. Now this week's collaboration is a Christmas look for less. Yes, a Christmas look for less. This is Bree's idea. Now what Bree wanted us to do, she wanted us to copy something that we saw in a magazine or in a store or Pinterest inspired, but do it for less. All right, this is up my alley, y'all. So I'm going to share something that I saw as I was surfing Instagram. All right, I was surfing Instagram and I saw this piece from Pier 1. Now this piece from Pier 1, I think it ran around $49, guys. $49. And yes, I was up for the challenge. I wanted to do it. So we're gonna just jump right in. Alright guys, to make this centerpiece, I'm going to show you the few pieces that I will use, and I have to go grab a few more pieces, not much. I have these poinsettias that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year. So these are items that I've already had, with the exception of a few items. This greenery here, these two picks. These large red berries, Hobby Lobby, as well as this pick as well, Hobby Lobby. Got one styrofoam block. I have these 3 beautiful decorative balls. They're not ornaments, they are actually balls. I did pick these up this week from Dollar Tree. And it's 2 trays here, but I'm only using one, also from Dollar Tree. And I have a few more items that I will add to this, and we'll go from there. I also have my hot glue gun on standby. So this is going to be my base. I'm going to glue the styrofoam on here. No need to take the plastic off. You're not going to see it in the end. And then I'm going to start attaching my greenery to the styrofoam. then you have a big centerpiece like this. So now we're going to go in and add our poinsettias. So I went in my stash and pulled out these ornaments here. I think the design is similar. I'm going to pair these two together. Pop this top off and I'm going to glue this on to my centerpiece. Now after doing all of this, I realized I forgot to do something that I wanted to do because I'm so excited to do this. So I'm going to try to do this as I have all of my items in, is to add ribbon. I want mine to be doctored up. So if I was to purchase a centerpiece as shown, like I showed you prior, I would have to add items to it, even though I paid that amount of money for it. That's just me. So I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up this dollar ribbon, and I'm using ribbon that I already had. Alright, I'm going to work this through as if I was placing this on a tree or on a wreath. Alright, so that's how it looks with the ribbon. It looks much better to me. If I was to purchase a centerpiece like the one I showed you in the store, I would have to embellish it somewhat. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Some more things from the Dollar Tree, these silver picks here. Now the only thing I wish Dollar Tree had and they didn't have was the tray. They only had that in gold. I wish they would have had it in silver. Alright, but you don't see it anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter. So I'm going to add these picks in. And it's like I'm placing them in the corners. Alright, trying to stick them in my styrofoam here. There they are. And they come with 5, but I'm only using 4. One more element, these little pearl stems. I'm going to add these by the poinsettias. So now I'm going to go get a cylinder that can be purchased from Dollar Tree and a candle and place it in here, and I'm going to show you the finished product. All right, so stay tuned. And here is my beautiful centerpiece. I even added these 2 deer that I purchased last year, and they have my Totally Dazzled bling on it. Well, guys, tell me what you think. I love my centerpiece, and I have it placed in my kitchen nook on my kitchen nook table, and it is beautiful there. As you walk in my door, as you walk into my home, and you come to this area, that's the first thing that you see. You run right into my kitchen nook table, and it is just beautiful right there. I absolutely love it. I would like to thank Bree of Bree's Project Book once again for hosting this 4-week collaboration. I am having so much fun participating. Please go over to Bree's and these other ladies' channels. You will love them. You will love their channels. They have some amazing things to offer. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. All of those media site links will be listed in the description box down below. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of this family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.